Hi class, let's take a look at this problem here. We have a Richter scale, magnitudes of earthquakes, and we're going to assume that this scale is normally distributed with a mean of 1.102 and a standard deviation of 0.517. Complete parts A through C. Earthquakes with magnitudes less than 2.00 are considered to be micro-earthquakes that are not felt. What percentage of earthquakes fall into this category? So let's use StatCrunch to solve this. So here's StatCrunch right here. Go to Stat, Calculator, and Normal. And we can enter, let me move this up here so you can see it. We enter the mean, 1.102, and the standard deviation, 0.517. And now we want to find the probability that we are less than 2. And that's going to be 0.95886. So that means that roughly 96% are going to be less. And they want me to round to 2 decimal places. So let me go back to this. So that's going to be 9588. So let me enter 95.88%. Okay, now earthquakes above 4.0 will cause indoor items to shake. Okay, so thank goodness most of the earthquakes, 95.88% of all of them, are what we call micro earthquakes. So that's good, because otherwise we would have a big problem on our hands. So earthquakes above 4 will cause indoor damage. What percentage of earthquakes fall into this category? So now we're going to change this to 4 and change this to greater than. And as you can see, the answer is extremely small, so it will be 0.00% in effect. And finally, let's find the 95th percentile. Well, what does that mean? The 95th percentile is the value such that 95% of all the values are to the left of that value. Another way to put this is that it's the value such that the area under the normal curve to the left of that value is 0.95. So to find this, I enter 0.95 here, and I want to change this to less than. And the value that I get at exactly 95% is 1.952. So 1.952. So this is the 95th percentile. Will all earthquakes above the 95th percentile cause indoor items to shake? Well, not necessarily, okay, because they say earthquakes with magnitudes less than 2.0 are considered micro earthquakes. And as you can see, the 95th percentile is 1.952. So there is a difference between 1.952, a small difference, and 2.000. Okay, so will all earthquakes above the 95th percentile called indoor items to shake? Well, I would say not necessarily. Okay, not all earthquakes above the 95th percentile have magnitudes above 4.0. Thank you.